Welcome to Belur Institute of Technology. Thank you for considering VIT for your higher education. VIT has launched applications for BTech engineering programs at our official website www.vit.ac.in. Apply now by clicking the VT 2026 Apply Now button. The application link provides comprehensive information about the VT application process, campus-specific programs, admission guidelines, including the admission process, eligibility, selection criteria, exam pattern, syllabus, and important dates. Also includes placement highlights and FAQs. For assistance, please use the provided helpline contact number. Beware of fake websites. Always visit VIT's official website for admissions information. Let's walk through the application process. First, register as a new user by providing the requested basic information. Enter your full name exactly as it appears on your school records. For eligibility, your date of birth must be on or after 1st July 2004. Indicate your gender and residential status. Applicants must be either resident or non-resident Indians, PIO or OCI. Selecting NRI, PIO or OCI as your nationality will not have any reservations for admission through VT 2026. Next, enter a valid mobile number for OTP verification. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. If you have registered an international mobile number, OTP will be sent to your registered email address. Please ensure your email address is accurate for smooth verification. Use only one valid email address for registration, as this will be the primary communication method throughout the admission process. To crystallize the admission process or to avoid confusion, please register with only one email address. It is important to give the correct residential PIN code. Enter the provided verification code. Click the refresh button if you'd like a different code. Once complete, proceed with your registration following the on-screen instructions. Next, click I authorize VIT to use my mobile number, email ID, and connected social media platforms overriding DND status. This authorizes VIT to contact you with important updates regarding your application and admission via your provided contact information, including social media. This communication will be solely related to your application and admission process. Click the register button to proceed to OTP verification. After entering the correct OTP, your login credentials, including your application number, will be sent to your registered email address. Please check your email promptly for these details. Keep your application number safe as it's essential for future reference and communication. You can make corrections to your application form using the edit option available at the final stage of the application process. Next, click the Login tab and enter your registered email address and password sent to your email. Enter the verification code and click Login. You'll then access VT 2026 BTech application section. Please read all the provided guidelines under the Guidelines tab and thoroughly read VT 2026 prospectus by clicking the tab. Then, click the Application Form tab. After reading the declaration content, check the box and click Submit to begin the VT 2026 application process. Your application number has already been generated and sent to your registered email address. Please ensure all required fields are accurately completed. Be aware that the native state name and the correspondence address PIN code are final upon submission, as these specific fields cannot be altered once submitted. Entering your PIN code will automatically populate the state and district fields. Complete the remaining sections and click Save and Next. If you find any difficulty in filling the application, please use the Need Help tab provided on top of the page and raise your queries. You'll then need to provide your school's information. Choose the mode of study and enter the board code corresponding to the board from which you have passed or are appearing for the 12th examination. When selecting your board, please refer to the attached list of boards and corresponding codes for accuracy, as incorrect entries will not be accepted. Entering the correct board code, the system will automatically display the corresponding school board name. Then, enter the school name and medium of instruction. Ensure to enter the correct school PIN code, as this field cannot be altered after submission. The application only accepts Indian PIN codes. NRI applicants studying abroad should enter 000000 as the PIN code and complete the other required fields. Entering the PIN code will automatically populate the school, state, and district. Provide school address and the year you passed your 12th board. Then, choose the choice of subject preference to appear for VT 2026. MPCA candidates are eligible for all BTech programs, while BPCA candidates are only eligible for BioSTEAM programs. Please refer VT 2026 prospectus for subject eligibility. Finally, indicate how you learned about VIT. Next is choosing the test city preference details. The listed test cities are based on your native state, current address state, and school address state as you entered while filling the form. Please carefully select your preferred test city. Please note that your chosen test city cannot be changed under any circumstances. Click the checkbox and submit the test city preference. If you find any difficulty in filling the application, please use the Need Help tab provided on top of the page and raise your queries. After completion, it will proceed to the payment page. You can choose between PayUBiz and Paytm as payment gateways. VT application fee is INR 1350, which is non-refundable. For abroad test centers, it is 90 USD and to be paid equivalent in INR. For example, if you select Paytm, you'll have various payment options including debit or credit cards and net banking. Please note that service charges may apply for these options. Upon successful payment, you will receive an on-screen acknowledgement. You can download the payment receipt using the e-receipt tab. You will then be redirected to the upload section. You must upload a digital copy of your photo and signature, ensuring they meet the specified requirements. Do not upload images of printed passport photos or use mobile phone pictures as they may be rejected. Carefully review the provided instructions before uploading your photo and signature. Refer to the video for instructions on how to prepare and upload your photograph and signature. Once these are uploaded, your application will be successfully submitted. You can only edit your application after making the payment and uploading your photo and signature. Use the download option to save a copy of your completed application for your records and future correspondence. An automated email will be triggered to the registered mail ID on successful completion of VT 2026 application. Your VT 2026 application has been successfully submitted. We wish you the very best on your entrance exam.